Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix P0446 code Chevy Silverado. Begin by safely parking, disconnecting the battery, and gathering a basic OBD2 scanner, pliers, and replacement purge valve if needed. I will walk you through step-by-step checks for the purge valve, hoses, and vent solenoid, showing simple tests you can do at home. I keep the language simple so you can follow along and save time and money. Start by finding the purge valve and visually checking hoses for cracks or disconnections. Use your OBD2 scanner to monitor live data while commanding the valve on and off to watch for response. If the valve does not click or shows abnormal resistance on a multimeter, replace it with an OEM or compatible unit. Recheck codes after replacement to confirm the issue is resolved and that the evap system is functioning normally. Next, focus on the hoses and the vent solenoid, since small leaks often trigger P0446. Carefully follow hoses from the fuel tank to the purge valve and look for brittle sections or disconnected fittings. If you have access to a smoke machine, use it to pinpoint tiny leaks around fittings and seals. Also verify vent solenoid operation electrically and mechanically, replacing it if it fails to open or close properly under command.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.